This video is on network troubleshooting methodology. Regardless of the problem, effective network troubleshooting follows some specific steps. We have what we call troubleshooting methodology, and when you follow them, it can reduce time it takes to isolate and fix a problem. The first step in troubleshooting process is to establish exactly what the problem is. The stage of the troubleshooting process is all about gathering information, identifying symptoms, questioning users, and determining if anything has changed. You can get information from three key sources: the computer user experiencing the problem, and your own observation. Identifying the problem, once again, is all about gathering information like from syslog. Question users who are experiencing issues, identifying symptoms, determining if anything has changed like hardware or software, duplicating the problem if possible like patches in an environment, approach multiple problems individually if there are more than one problems, and if they are prioritized a little differently. A single problem on a network can have many causes, but with appropriate information gathering, you can eliminate most of them. Second step is to establish a theory of probable cause. You should question the obvious and formulate a probable cause. For example, theory that users can no longer print because of a new updated driver. Simply question the obvious and consider multiple approaches like top to bottom or bottom to top OSI model, going from hardware up to application layer to see what could have been the cause of the problem. Next, you need to test the theory to determine the cause. If the theory is confirmed, you need to determine the next steps to resolve the problem. If the theory is not confirmed, you need to reestablish a new theory or escalate to a higher level supervisor for assistance. Sometimes the problem you encounter fall outside the scope of your knowledge, but make sure you determine whether escalation is really necessary. And with the plan in place, you should be ready to implement a solution, that is, applying the patch, replacing the hardware, or implementing some other solution. Note that you must attempt only one solution at a time. Doing several solutions at once can make it unclear which one really corrected the problem, or it may lead to another problems. After the corrective change has been made to the server, network, or workstation, you must test the results. Never assume everything is okay just because it appears to be okay. This is where you find out if you're right and remedy you applied worked. Even after fixing, you must verify full system functionality, and if planned, you need to implement preventive measures as well to ensure it doesn't happen again. Last step is to document findings, actions, outcomes, and lessons learned. It's all about paperwork. Although it is often neglected in the troubleshooting process, documentation is as important as any other troubleshooting procedures. It is the solution that involves keeping record of all steps taken during the fix, not necessarily just the solution. At minimum, you need to include when, why, what, results, and who.